Okay, obtain. This is for the 3 sides, the tank grease. This is the largest size, which already in your side. And this is the middle size, and this is the small size. As we know, for this, the hardware plating, it will be like we always send after punch produce. We send this to the plating factory. Plating factory, they will use like the 500 kg to make it, pour it into the plating pot. The plating pot, it will be inside to make it running, turning it to make it, the color on it is always all place same color. It will need to do this. So you just imagine 500 kg to press it. 500 kg to press it. So in the button side one, so master sometimes cannot easy to keep the shape. So sometimes here the degrees is change. More bigger size, more bigger easy to change. So if we use the middle or small size, it will be the pressure will press in the whole shape. Is not only here. So the smaller one, it can keep the same shape better. Keep same shape better. So in that way, it's very easy to, after the pick hand, the delivery hand pick up that, it's very easy to keep the same degrees. So small one is the best. And the middle size is a little change. Middle size is a little change, but it can work. So if only like 1 minute, 5 minutes, of course it will have some problem. Say like this, it has pressure to make the shape difference. So every day when you after walking, so you need to take off the button, or after you use the one cartoon, the tank grease. In the button side, maybe have one bunch of this. You just take it off, or the problem degrees will go inside of the machine. So sometimes same as your stop like that. And this is the middle side. And we check the big size. Bigger size, the more pressure will go into the button side. So sometimes it will be, the degree will be changed. So, is sometimes be problem, but this is the machine. And this is just a thickness like this. If you make the more thickness, it means it's not easy to spring that. It will be hard, cannot move. So this is a tank grease. So if your size is not very large, we can use like middle size. Or some small size, we can use the small size. So this is the tank grease.